Toyota's Entune audio systems, both 2.5 and 3.0, have a feature called Train Voice Recognition to help make your voice recognition commands more understandable and make the system more easy to use. To use this, simply choose Menu, Setup, Voice, and then Train Voice Recognition. What I'll do here once I start is respond to 10 phrases. I'll repeat each phrase, and that will allow the system to understand the tones of my voice, the sound of my voice, so it will understand me better as I use the system going forward. So let's start.
Please say the following. Redial the last number again.
Redial the last number again.
Say, browse through my music.
Browse through my music.
Say, make a new phone call.
Make a new phone call.
Say, listen to one of my podcasts.
Listen to one of my podcasts.
Say, send a quick reply to someone.
Send a quick reply to someone.
Say, read the next text message.
Read the next text message.
Say, call Andrew on his mobile.
Call Andrew on his mobile.
Say, change music source to FM radio.
Change music source to FM radio.
Say, choose a different music source.
Choose a different music source.
Say, show my call history.
Show my call history.
Thank you. Voice recognition training is now complete.
By completing this simple process, I will now be able to use my voice recognition system more effectively. Thank you for listening.